Welcome to globalweather.net. This is the statewide weather report for Texas, based on the latest National Weather Service Office discussions, issued Thursday, June 18th, 2026 at 2:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Brief summary. Heat is the dominant story statewide, with extreme heat in deep South Texas and South Central Texas and triple-digit heat returning in many areas this weekend. Thunderstorms threaten the Panhandle tonight into Friday, including potential severe storms with large hail. Coastal regions face rip currents and heat-related hazards, while Central Texas could see scattered storms with locally heavy rainfall. West Texas stays hot and dry after a brief cool down, and the borderlands stay windy and dusty at times. Now for the extended report. Hey everyone, here's your Texas weather briefing for Thursday, June 18th, 2026. The big story today is heat, and it's spreading across much of the state. In deep South Texas, an extreme heat warning is in effect today until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time, with heat indices well over 110 degrees in many spots and some locations pushing toward 120. A heat watch is in place for tomorrow, so plan for another day of dangerous heat. Coastal locations face elevated rip currents and a chance of coastal flooding, with heat advisories in effect across several areas. Moving inland, the Dallas-Fort Worth area is under a heat advisory this afternoon, with temperatures and humidity creating dangerous heat. A weak front will drift south tonight, bringing a window for strong to severe thunderstorms later this evening into tomorrow. Expect gusty winds and heavy rainfall where storms form, especially near the front's path. In Central Texas, hazardous heat persists today as well, with rain chances increasing this evening through Sunday. Locally heavy rainfall is possible, particularly where storms train or drift slowly. The weekend could bring at least a brief relief from the heat Saturday, but temperatures rebound quickly afterward. The Houston-Galveston area is enduring life-threatening heat, with indices around 114 this afternoon and humidity remaining high into the weekend. Scattered showers and storms are possible Friday and Saturday, with a slight risk of excessive rainfall Friday. Down along the borderlands, El Paso and far west Texas will see more gusty, dusty thunderstorms tonight than a drier weekend with highs around 100 to 105 degrees. Next week looks hotter still as upper-level ridging strengthens. In West Texas and the South Plains, the heat is brutal today. A front should push south this evening, bringing cooler conditions Friday in many spots, but a rebound to hot values is likely this weekend. And in the Panhandle, thunderstorms are likely tonight into early Friday, with some storms capable of large hail. Thunderstorms could continue to show up daily, with varying coverage for the next several days. Triple-digit heat could return by the second half of the weekend. Bottom line, stay hydrated, limit outdoor activity during peak heat, and monitor local forecasts for radar updates and any changing warnings. Check weather.gov for your area and your county's advisories, and have a plan for heat and storm safety. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye on the sky and your local alerts. Now, a quick regional snapshot coming up next.